Right guys, let's see what they've got in Costco this month. And as you can see, I'm following her with a trolley. She's a bit keen to get in here today. So it's all about tools and what we can find. So you've got the Henry Micro here, good for the workshop. Just check out the prices as you go along. These fold-up tables are really good. I've got one. I bought one a while back, but there's two different sizes here, and they are really, really good quality. I will say that for them. So 30 quid with the Costco tax, or the government tax, should I say. VAT. So I've come in here for a specific thing, and she's filling trolley up with stuff that she wants. So far, we've got a dish rack thing. These would be good if you've got like a shed at the bottom of your garden or something, and you want to take some hot soup down there with you, or, you know, you're a tradesman. They're massive. I don't think it shows on the video and seem good quality. The price doesn't seem bad neither. What's she got now? I can feel jobs coming on. Do you know what I mean? So I've shown this in a previous video, and this is exceptional quality, and it's good for the money. So what I'll do this trip round Costco once a month. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll do sort of the other tool tours in various places as part of the channel. But $5.99, that's not a bad price, you know, for that. So these command strips, I've never used them. Are they any good? I've seen other people, carbon monoxide detectors. If you've got them diesel eaters in your workshop and that, just get one of these, be safe. And it's good to have these around the house as well. These little mini power stations, 1,679. Is that good? I don't know. Extra sockets there. I should have picked one of them up to give it a try, really. You got a 2-pack for $17.98, and they've got a different variant there. They've got some different stuff in this time I've come, so it was nice to actually come in and get a good look round. Some electrical cable there. I thought I'd show that in case you want to wire some electric sockets up. If you're that way inclined, always get a qualified person to do it, mind. Now, the DeWalt vac, these are good. I've had one before. I blew mine up, and it was my own fault. But it was a good vacuum, that. Shame it hasn't got the power tech off, though. Petrol generator, £300. Seems a good price. Now these, back in again. Now they're always, every time I've been in, they always sell out these, so there must be something about them. Oil-free compressor and air tool kit, so you've got some tools there to get you going. And for £107, not bad. I've had these before, these work gloves. I get mine now off Amazon, but I've got to say, these gloves are really good. It's just that I begrudge paying £17. I mean, they were a lot cheaper when I bought them as well. And the Hydraride gloves, £20.38. I think they're more of a specialist glove. Now these Keto little toolboxes, they were real good quality. I'm sort of quite impressed with this brand Keto, whatever, however you want to pronounce it. $21.98, and then you've got some tarpaulins there. I should have picked some of them up as well, because I'm going to need them for something I've got planned. A 4-pack torches, Duracell. Don't look a bad price, really. $23.98. So these are the organisers. These are not T-Stack compatible, these ones, so just be wary. You get a 2-pack, which are still good, really, for price, £30. Spack screws. I get all my screws from the screw shop, link in description below. Where I get mine, they're like a UK family business, they're really good. And one of these Pro work tables, now these have gone down in price this time here. So if you're in and about where there's a Costco and you want a little handy portable work table, these are really good. 47 quid. They're usually around about the £60 mark. The Gorilla pry bar set, the 3-piece set. Now, I need some of these, and I have actually just bought these from it while I was in here today. $35.98. Might seem a little bit expensive, but they are top quality. Rechargeable batteries. Make your own mind up on the price, guys. Now, these DeWalt clamps, first time I've seen them in here, and I'll be honest with you, when I sort of was having a feely look round them, they didn't look that good, if I'm perfectly honest with you. So if any of you guys have got these, please put in the comments how you find them. My first impressions of them, they felt a bit cheap and nasty, if I'm honest. The DeWalt sort of pack there, you get the drill bag, charger, and two 2-amp batteries for 119. Get you going, that, won't it? There's a better idea of what it looks like. Dremel for all you little people that like carving, sorry. Not little people, sorry. All you people that like little carving little things, I should have said there. Things that come out my mouth, honestly. Quite popular are Dremels. They're a good tool, they're a good brand, aren't they? And then the professional screwdriver set. Bosch Professional, so a good brand again. Gives you an idea of what's in there. $17.98 with the tax. And I picked one of these up last time I was here. I'm quite impressed with it, to be honest. Good quality sort of bits in there. But you can pick packs like this up from sort of Lidl, that kind of place, if you don't want to pay this sort of price. You know, and if you're a DIYer, it doesn't really matter, does it? So the ones from Lidl will probably be a better option for you. Little ratcheting set there. Socket set. DeWalt. £30 with a tax. Microfiber cloths. Always handy to have in, really. I know they've got them set out on the car aisle, but I thought I'd show them. And they've got a sea of batteries in this time. There's loads of them. There's all different batteries there, all different prices. I couldn't get my camera up to prices, but if you're in there looking at other tools anyway and you need batteries, they've got them in. So here's some of the racking. They've got loads of racking in. And being Costco, it's all sort of really good quality stuff. But my personal favourite, some plastic ones, what I've had quite a lot of, and Shelley uses them for her business, what she runs. And that's the big metal ones there. They're good, I've had them in the past. But these here are the ones I would suggest you go for. You know, $29.99 plus the VAT. They're really, really good. Solid, robust. Take about 5 minutes literally to put up. Some step ladders here. £70-odd there with the tax. Little steps. Well, they're not little, they're sort of medium-sized steps, really. They look really good quality. When I had the touchy-feely round it, they were really good quality-wise. $71.98, and another little set of folding steps here. £30, just under. Little trolleys. Always handy. A friend of mine's got one of them ones and he swears by it, said it's really good. I've never had one. So sack truck there. Looks nice and sturdy. Tidy tray. You get a 2-pack here. And I'm going to pick a set of these up. I don't know why I want them. I'm just going to pick a set up while I'm here for £4.18. It might come in handy around the workshop. And again, I'm on the car aisle a bit here, but these little movable sort of trolleys, you know, you can sit on that. Might come in handy for you guys. $41.98, but it is good quality. Big trolley jack there. I don't know what you use it for, but if you're into your cars and that, this looks like a right beast of a thing. Is that a good price? Let me know in the comments. Shop towels, I think these are a bit expensive for what they are. You can go over the other side of Costco and they've got like big packs of sort of towels for a fraction of the price. She's at it again. Look now, she's buying dog beds now. Look, this is what I have to put with. I only come in for one thing. Look at it. And guys, so you've got some sort of storage here. I couldn't get up to the prices again, but they've got loads of it in. I don't know if you can make that out. I had to get the camera right over. But there's sort of 3 packs, 4 packs, all different sizes, litrages, all that kind of thing. But yeah, there's loads of them in. Everywhere. A sea of storage containers. So you get an idea of the price. And these are really, really handy to have. So guys, there's a 4-pack. So guys, that's it for this one. I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It makes a massive difference. And this is my view walking out of Costco. How bad is that? To the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. You're all absolutely amazing, and please subscribe to the new channel. It makes a difference.